Hello students, welcome back to today's class on coordinate geometry, and in today's class we're going to discuss some applications or practice questions based on all the topics that we have discussed till now, right? My name is Avinash and I'm a graduate from IIT Kharagpur. Let's start today's session. So what is the first question we are discussing here today? Find the distance of the point minus 6,8 from the origin. Yesterday we have discussed the same thing. We discussed the same question yesterday in the last slide. Let's try to solve once again. We discussed the distance between 2 points formula. Distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, the distance of the point minus 6,8 from the origin, minus 6,8 from the origin 0, 0. So let's try to see what is the distance. That is root over x2 minus x1, 0 minus of minus 6, 0 minus of minus 6 whole square plus 0 minus 8 whole square. So minus of minus 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 will give you root over 100, and root over 100 is 10 units. Okay, so that is the distance between these two. Let's try to see the next question. Two of the vertices of triangle ABC are given as 6, 4 and minus 2, 2, and its centroid is given as 3, 4. Find the coordinates of the third vertex C of the triangle ABC. Right? So please try to solve that quickly. Try to recall what is the formula for centroid of the triangle when the vertices are given. Right? So please try to do it fast. Last 10 seconds. Right. So let's try to see what is the answer here. Okay. So what is a centroid? First of all, let me recall. Let me tell you what is centroid, and then we'll try to tell what is the formula for that. Centroid of the triangle ABC is a point of intersection of medians, point of concurrence of medians. So what is the median? Median means the line which is passing from the vertex to the opposite side midpoint. To the opposite side midpoint. If this is the midpoint, so this is the median. Okay. So in the same way we have one more median here and one more median here. Right. So this will give you this point of concurrence which is represented with centroid G. Which is Z, which is centroid. Right. So now to find the centroid of the triangle formed by three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So the value of the centroid Z is given as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So 6 minus 2 plus what is the third vertex? We don't know what is the third vertex. Let's try to leave it as it is by plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2, 4 plus 2 plus y3 by 3. So this will give you the value 3, 4. That is the centroid. So now you need to compare these two to get the value of x and these two to get the value of y. So let us try to see that. 3 is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. 4 plus x3 by 3. So 3 is a 9 is equal to 4 plus x3, and we have x3 is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. x3, 9 minus 4 is 5, right? The same way, here 4 is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus y3 by 3. 4 3 is a 12 is equal to 6 plus y3, and we get y3 is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6, right? So the point is 5, 6. The third vertex is 5, 6. Once again, please cross check that. You may get some calculation mistakes here. Calculation mistakes in mathematics are quite possible, but you should not repeat that in your examinations, right? So please do it properly, and we'll move forward for the next question. The perimeter of triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0. We need to find what is the perimeter, not the area. Okay, what is the perimeter? I'll also discuss about the area for the same question. So please try to do it soon. So in the same question, I'll also tell you how to find the perimeter as well as area. Please try to quickly find the answer. It will be very, very simple. It's better if you can draw the graph or plot the points on the graph paper, and then you can try to find the area. So it will be very simple. Try to find the perimeter. Last 20 seconds. Right. So let's try to see what is the answer here. Okay. The perimeter of triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0. Perimeter. Let me try to plot these points in the graph paper. I'll tell you it's the most easy method. Okay. So the point 0, 0 will be here. I hope you already know how to plot the points on the graph paper. So 3, 0 is a point on x-axis at a distance of 3 units, and 4, 0, 0, 4 is a point on the y-axis at a distance of 4 units. So this is the triangle that we are going to discuss. Okay. So this is the triangle that we are going to discuss now. Now to find the area of this triangle or the perimeter. Perimeter is very simple, right? For example, this 3 units, 4 units using Pythagoras, or trying to find the distance between these 2 points, you can say that the distance between these 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So distance is equal to root over 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. So which is a root 25, which is a 5. Root 25, which is a 5. Or you can also use Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, if you take it as x, so x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So x square equal to 9 plus 16, which is 25. So x is equal to 5. Right? You can use Pythagoras theorem, or you can use the distance between the points. So you'll get 5. So now tell me what is the perimeter of this figure? Perimeter 3 plus 4 plus 5. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12, right? 12 centimeters. And now my question is how to find simply the area after getting to here. Area of right angle triangle, you can see here, right angle triangle. This is a right angle, right? Area of right angle triangle, you can take it as half base into height. Area of any triangle, you can do, not only right angle, half base into height, but height should be there whenever you're discussing. So half into base, you can take it as 3, and the height of the triangle is taken as a 4. So 4 into 3, 12, 12 by 2 is 6 centimeters square. The area of triangle is 6 centimeters square, 6 centimeters square. Or it is not, if it is not centimeters, it is unit. Okay, area is 6 units square. The perimeter is 12 centimeters, right? So moving forward for the next question. The area of triangle, the same question we are discussing. The area of triangle with the vertices, okay? So area, you can discuss with 0, 0, you can discuss with 3, 0, another point is 0, 4. So this is 3 units, 4 units, half into base into height, that is 12 by 2 is 6 units. Now, let's say you don't know all these things. Let's say you don't know all these things, or some other vertices are given. Then you may ask me, sir, how to do this type of questions, sir. Okay, so for that we have a formula with all the vertices. Area is equal to half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is how you can try to bring x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, right? So half times of x1 0 into y2 minus y3, 0 minus 0, plus x2 0 into y3 minus y1 0 minus 4 plus x3 3 into y1 minus y2 4 minus 0, right? So that will give you half times of 0 plus 0, and this again plus 0 into some other number 0, and this is plus 3 into 4 is 12. So that will give you 12 by 2 which is 6, 12 by 2 which is 6, and we don't have any units, so it is unit square or square units. You can write 6 square units. Always remember that area will be mentioned in square units only. Area will be mentioned in square units only, right? A very beautiful approach. Let's try to move forward for the next question. Once again, yeah. Right. If A and B are 1, 2 and 6, 7 respectively, find the coordinates of P on AB such that AP is equal to 4 by 5 times of AB, right? So please try to do it fastly. AP is equal to 4 by 5 times of AB. 1 minute. Please try to solve that as fast as possible. If you need more time, I can give you more time for this question. Last 20 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Right, so time is done. So let's try to see that. So how to get this? 1, 2 and 6, 7 are there. 1, 2 and 6, 7. So now what is the relation given? This is A, this is B. So now we need to find a point P such that AP is equal to 4 by 5 times of AB. AP is equal to 4 by 5 times of AB. What is the meaning of that? That means you can say AP will be, out of the total 5 parts, you need to get 4 parts. Okay. So see carefully here. AP is, if this is 4 parts, AP, the total should be 5 parts. This AP by AB is equal to 4 by 5, correct? AP by AB is 4 by 5. So if AP is 4 parts, not exactly 4 units or 4 centimeters, 4 parts, the total AB should be 5 parts. That means the leftover PB is 1 times. The leftover PB is 1 time. That means, so we can say 4 is to 1. The ratio is 4 is to 1, not 5 is to 1 or not 4 is to 5. Right? So we need to find the point P which divides A and B in the ratio 4 is to 1, and tell me how to get the point. What is the formula for that? What is the formula for that? M is to N. If the ratio is M is to N, M x2, this is x2 y2, and this is x1 y1. Okay. M x2 plus N x1 by M plus N, comma, M y2 plus N y1 by M plus N. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So mx2, 4 times of 6, 6 4s are 24, plus nx1, 1 times of 1 by m plus n, 4 plus 1 is 5, comma, my2, 4 times of 7, 7 4s are 28, plus ny1, 1 times of 2, 28 plus 2 by m plus n is 5, right? So 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 5, comma, 28 plus 2, 30 by 2. So that will give you 5, comma, 6. 5, comma, sorry, this is 5. 5, comma, 6. 5, comma, 6 is the point which divides A and B in the ratio 4 is to 1, such that AP is equal to 4 by 5 times of AB, right? This is a very simple, a very beautiful approach. From the 4 by 5 relation, you need to find the ratio. You need to find the ratio, right? So what is the next question? What is the next question we are having? Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points minus 10, 2 and 20, 5. Points of trisection. What do you mean by that? Points of trisection means which divides that A and B into 3 parts. A and B into 3 parts. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 equal parts. So we can say that A and B is here. So if this is one part, this is one part, this is one part. Let us say this is point P. P divides or AP by PB. AP by PB, this is one part, PB is two parts. That means P divides in the ratio 1:2. P divides in the ratio 1:2. What about the other point Q? Other point Q, which is the AQ by QB. AQ is 2 units by QB is 1 unit. So this Q divides it in the ratio 2:1. AP is 1:2 and P divides in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides in the ratio 2:1, right? So now let's try to move forward. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points A minus 10, 2 and B 20, 5. Okay, so let's try to see once again. Let me erase all this. So let's try to find point P so that you can try to find point Q later. Okay. So A is given as minus 10, 2 and B is given as 20, 5. Okay. So now tell me what is the formula? If this is M is to N, x1, y1, x2, y2. The point is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so that will give you mx2. Let me take that, right. Yeah. So mx2. So 1 into, this is x2, 1 into 20 plus n times of x1, 2 into minus 10, 2 into minus 10 is again minus 20 by m plus n3, my2, 1 times of y plus ny1, 2 times of 2, 4 by m plus n is 3. So 20 minus 20 is 0, 0, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 by 3. So it is 0, 3. It is 0, 3, right? That is the answer. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining A and B. So one point is 0, 3. The other point you need to find, so which divides that in the ratio 2:1. Which divides it in the ratio 2:1. Right? So let's try to move forward to the next question. The point Q, you need to still find the point Q. We got the point P. Okay. So the next question. Find the slope of the line passing through the points A and B. We have 2 points. And now tell me, what is the line joining 2 points formula? We discussed previously. The slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 3 minus 4 by x2 minus x1, 4 minus of minus 2. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. By 4 minus of minus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. So that will give you minus 1 by 6 as a slope. Slope of the line joining 2 points y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right? Moving ahead. Determine x so that minus 5 is the slope of the line passing through P and Q. Just now we discussed the slope M is given as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 24 minus 19. 24 minus 19 by x2 minus x1, that is x minus 20. 24 minus 19 by x minus 20. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? So determine x so that minus 5 is the slope. So 24 minus 19 is 5. 24 minus 19 is 5 by x minus 20. X minus 20 and this value is given as a slope as minus 5. Correct? Once again, let's try to see that. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is given as minus 5. Right? So 5 by. So now transform this side or do the reciprocal. X minus 20 by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5. Right? X minus 20 by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5. So 5 and 5 can be cancelled. Here also, you can directly cancel these two. So x minus 20 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 1 is 19. X equal to 20 minus 1 is 19. Right? So from there we'll get the answer. The slope is minus 5. Clear? So moving ahead for the next question. Find the area of the triangle whose lengths of the sides are 6 meters, 3 meters and 5 meters by using Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? You know that, right? Heron's formula is given as delta is equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to semi-perimeter. I told you semi-perimeter, which is a plus b plus c by 2. That is a semi-perimeter. So first of all, let's try to find what is S. 3, 5 and 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6 by 2. 6 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. Once again, let me check that. Right? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14 by 2 is 7. Correct? So that will give you root over 7 into S minus C. 7 minus S minus A, the first side 6 into 7 minus the second side 3 into 7 minus 5. So let us solve that. Root over 7 into 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 3 into 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 7 4s are 28. 28 2s. 7 4s are 28. And 28 2s are 56. Okay. You can 56. I don't think you can further solve that. You can just leave that as it is. So area of triangle is root 56 square units. Root 56 square units. Okay. So Heron's formula is very, very important when you're trying to find the area of the triangle. Clear? So we have one or two more questions that you can try. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are. Okay, I'm not going to do that. X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. Straightforward question. Okay. So, and we have one more question. Find the area of the triangle whose one vertex is origin and the other 2 points are at a distance of 5 units with the origin on either of the axes. Okay, so please try to read the question, understand the question, and try to do it. Very beautifully framed. You need to understand the question first of all, and then you can try to proceed. Okay, so we have further couple of questions. Find the value of K for which the points are collinear. I told you when the points are collinear, the area of the triangle is 0, or the slope of the line joining those two lines, those two segments, if this is A, B, C. Okay, slope of AB and slope of BC will be equal. You can try in that approach. Okay, so that's all for today's class. That's all for coordinate geometry. In the coming class, we're going to discuss the next chapter. Right? Thank you so much, students. Stay tuned to get the next lecture. Thank you.